Hello viewers, welcome back to our part 2 Android Studio installations and configuration. So in this part 2, in the part 1 already I told you how to download and install Java. In this part I will be mainly focusing how to download Android Studio and how to install and how to go for the various configurations. The first of all what we need to do, go to the browser Chrome and search Android Studio in the Google, and below you see a link that is developer.android.com/studio. So you can see it here. In this developers it is showing download Android Studio. The version it is showing 2020 dot 3.1 or dot 23, like that it will be showing. And once you go for that and you just scroll down, below you will see it will be recommending. It is recommended, you can see it at Android Studio 2020.3.1.23. This is the subversion of window.exe, and especially I am talking about who are going for Windows and in Windows 10 64-bit operating system. So they can just use double click this one and it will start downloading. Okay, before downloading it will ask you agree the term and condition. Yes, you tick yes, I agree the term and condition. Then it will ask you choose the components. Just you select the Android Studio and Android virtual devices, etc. Whatever things you there, by default you select it and click next. Once you click next, then it will ask you the configuration setting, where you want to, what is the location where you want to install all the things. By default it will take C program files Android/Android Studio. So if you want to change the location, you can select D Android/Android Studio if you are having less space in C or sufficient software is installed. Otherwise by default you keep it the same file, okay, same folder. Okay, then you click next. Once you select next, then it will ask you the Android Studios and all the things it is to be created. Then you just click install. Once you click this install, it will show you that it is installing. Please wait while Android Studio is being installed. Okay, then just you click next. Once you click next and wait for some time, you will see that the installation is completed. The Android installation is completed now. Then click next. Once you click next, then it will ask you start Android Studio. Just you click it here if you want to start it now. Then you click finish. Once you click finish, then immediately it will ask you whether you want to import the Android Studio setting from the existing, or you don't want to import, because if you are installing it first time there is no need to import. So just select this one, do not import setting, then click OK. And just after that you can see it is asking the data sharing. So it will be asking you to send usage statistics to Google. Don't send, just click don't send. So just after that it will show you Android Studio setup wizard. In the setup wizard you can see it here. You select it here because you are having so many things here, and we are mainly going for this app development using this because we are having with the devices like the wristwatches and the TV and everywhere we are having, but you will be using for this especially the computer, and also especially for our Android mobile. Okay, so we are going for mobile app development, so we are mainly focusing on this one. Okay, click next. So after that you see the install type. It will ask you to go for the standard version or the custom version. So by default you go for the standard version unless otherwise you are expert and you know how to install in details. Then click next. Once you click next, it will ask you the setup UI user interface theme. So you have two options. One is the dark color, just like the dark color it will come, and another light color. It is your choice. You can go for this one, but I prefer this light color. I have taken this light color. Then after that it will show you verify the setting. Till now what, just after that you click next. So once you click next, it will ask you to verify the setting. So it will show you the what is the Android emulator, what is the Android SDK, and all the things what is going to be installed, that you can check it here. 1 2 3 all the things you can check it here. And if you want to change it something, you can go back and you can change it here, but by default these things it will take. Then it will show the download components. Just you once you click that one, then it will download the components. It will start and you will wait for some time based on your system configuration and based on the internet, and it will take some time. So because it will be in GBs, so then download components. Now you can finish it when it is, you can say it is everything is installed complete and everything is complete. Then you can click next. Just after that you will find the first time the Android Studio. It will ask you start a new Android Studio project. You can go for this because the first time you are doing, do not have an existing. So click this start a new Android Studio project. After that it will ask you to select a project template, and by default you are going for this empty activities. Then you click next. Then immediately it will ask you what is the your project name. By default it will be showing you the my applications. If you want to say, suppose I am going for this PVC aluminum, suppose somebody is going for high tech content, so whatever the project you are going to do, that you give a name to that one. Based on that the project name will be, package name will be created. And where you want to save all the things, by default it will take the C users, something like that it will take. If you want to change it, you can change it, and the path you have to remember. Then language, you have two options. You can go for this Kotlin or you can go for the Java. Initially I have shown you minimum 4 to 5 videos on this Java. Now we are focusing to develop using this Kotlin. We will be doing that one. Then the minimum SDK, you have to select it, because if you are going for API 4.1, that is the jelly beans, it is 99.80% of the devices will be connected. So you can select some lower. If you go for higher versions, then very less number of devices will be connected. They can run on that one. Then suppose I am going on Java, then select all things as it is. Suppose I want to change the name, I change to hello world. Then all the things you do it here, and I am using the 4.1. Then you just click finish. Once you click finish, it will appear like this. You can see you are having the code, one having the split, one having the design here also, and you see by default activity underscore main.xml, this is the design part, and main activity.java. If you want Kotlin also, if you selected Kotlin there, that kt.kt here .java.kt will come. So regarding the Kotlin, I have given minimum 4 videos to you. So if you have any doubt and everything, you can check and you can go through those videos, and I think I have cleared all the doubts. It is in less than 1 hour. 3 videos are there. So once everything is over, then you have to select the AVD, because till now this you see your app is there but no device is there. You click it here and go to the AVD manager. This AVD manager is, it will come like that, create a virtual device. Okay, just click this, create virtual devices. Once you click this one, it will show you. So you can go for the phones. Yeah, in this phones you have to select something like that, pixel 2a or 3a. Maybe I am selecting to pixel 2, it is selecting. Then you click next. Say suppose I am going for this phone, and pixel 3 suppose you want to select, then you can select one or two whatever things, but by default you go for this latest version of pixel 3. That is fine. Otherwise you can go for the 2 also, that is nothing. Then click next. Once you click next, you can find it here. Then it will be going for the system images, and you have to go for one of the images. Either you can go for download 30 or whatever things. I have selected this download 30, and I have selected, and then you just click all things. Then it will ask you most probably to accept this condition. Yes, you accept this thing. Once you accept, then it will be starting installation of all the things. And then again the system image also, you can select a system image. Then suppose you want to select more than one, then you select it here, and it will ask you to install the HASM. That once you install this one, now I think everything is ready. Do we want to allow this app to make changes in your devices? Yes, select it yes here. Then invoking the installation, see when everything is fine. So Android SDK, it is there up to date and running. Intel make some installations, everything is ready, so done. Then you click it finish. Once you click it finish, it will show you again all the things Android virtual devices. You have to select the portrait and click it finish. If you want, you can this video name also, you can give any name you like, or by default you can keep that. There is no problem on that one. So once it is over, now your virtual device is available. From this point also you can run it here. Otherwise just you click it finish and close it here. Then in the meantime the Gradle will start building all the things, and once you see it will appear, your screen will appear like this. And once you run this here, just run this app. If you want to see by default, because by default app is there. If you want to go for the project, you created a project, in that case you are, instead of Android, you select the project and select the project name. By default it will there. And once you are here and it runs, after some time you will find that your project is running, and you can see, because what you can see is hello world is there, and it will be showing the virtual devices, and it will there, and you can see it clearly. I hope you have understood this concept. It is very easy, and all these details are available there also in the internet. So if you have any doubt, you can send a mail to me or SMS to me also, or comments to me also. If you like this video, please do a thumbs up, send some give a thumbs up, and also share with your friends. And please don't forget to subscribe. In our part 3, we are going to tell you how to go for running some sample app programs, and we'll be taking 3 to 4 videos for completely to make you perfect in designing a particular project, and so that anybody and everybody will be able to develop projects in the app development. Thank you for watching this video, and take care of your health. Thank you.